Ninja Woodfire temperature fluctuating? Try this. If your Ninja Woodfire keeps bouncing between temperatures or never settles, it might not be broken. Here's how to stabilize the heat and get more consistent results. Step 1. Let it preheat fully before adding food. Opening the lid too early can throw off the cycle. Wait until the preheat is complete and the timer starts, then add your ingredients. Step 2. Avoid opening the lid repeatedly. Every time you lift it, heat escapes and the grill has to recover. Only check your food when necessary and keep the lid closed as much as possible. Step 3. Don't overload the grill. If the surface is packed edge to edge, airflow suffers and temps drop unevenly. Leave space between items to let heat circulate properly. Step 4. Clean out the burn pot and grease tray. Excess ash or grease buildup can throw off the sensors or restrict airflow. Let the unit cool fully, then brush out debris before the next cook. If you're still seeing temp swings, try using a heat deflector or drip tray liner. It can help promote more even airflow and prevent direct flare-ups. If this helped stabilize your cooking temps, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more smart grill tips. And if you want better heat distribution and less cleanup, we've linked a grill-safe drip tray liner in the description that fits perfectly under the cooking surface. Thanks for watching, and grill steady.